Hello everybody, my name is Sistani. I have opened this channel to share with you my bi-weekly trading method and strategy. In this method, I'm using a kind of technical analysis to select a package of 15 stocks for a duration of 2 weeks. At the end of each 2 weeks, I sell the previous package and buy a new package. I post a video every 2 weeks to share with you the new package that I am going to buy and also analyze the previous package. In this method, I'm using a code which equipped with different technical analysis to select these packages. Here you can see the return of this method since the beginning of 2017 until May 2022. On the right axis, together with this orange curve, you can see the accumulative return of this method since the beginning of 2017. And on the left axis, here you see the return of each individual package. In the next few slides, I am going first quickly go through the return and performance of this method since 2017, and then I am going to analyze the previous package and also at the end then introduce the next package for the next 2 weeks. If you have already watched the previous video, you may want to skip this first part and directly jump to the analyzing the last package and also introducing the new package. Starting with 2017, here you can see the performance of this method in 2017. Again, on the right axis, you can see the accumulative return, and on the left axis, you can see the return of each individual package, which has been shown with the bar here. And this orange curve shows the accumulative return of this method in 2017. As you can see, at the end of the year, the accumulative return of this package was slightly more than 40%, and the minimum return which happened at the beginning of April, was something around -2%, and the maximum return happened at the end of April, which was something around 6%. And then 2018, as you know, 2018 was not an ideal year for trading. However, as you see at the end of the year, the accumulative return of this method was around 7%. And you can see the minimum return was something around -6% and the maximum also again around 6%. In 2019, again, you can see the return of this method was something around 42% at the end of the year. The minimum return was happened sometime the beginning the first half of May, and it was something around -5%, and the maximum also again a bit more than 5%, 6%. 2020, as you know, at the beginning of the year, we had a sharp drop in the Aktienmarkt due to the pandemic, but at the end of the year, it was not. It somehow recovered, and it was not a really bad year for trading. And as you see, the accumulative return at the end of the year was something around 25%, and the minimum, which happened sometime in March, was something around -20%, and the maximum was something around +15%. 2021 was a very good year for trading. As you see, the
return of this method, the accumulative at the end of the year was something around 100%. The minimum return was something about -3%, and the maximum return was around 9%.
And this is the return of this method in 2022 from the beginning until 7 August. On the right axis you can see the accumulative again, and as you see the accumulative until 7 August is something around 8%. The minimum return, as you see with this bar, happened somewhere the end of the May, and it was something around -6%. And the maximum return is something around 9%, which happened the end of July. I will again present the return of this year at the end of this video, after analyzing the performance of the previous package, and we will see more a little bit more and hear more about this year then. Okay, now let's analyze the previous package. This package I introduced on 4th of September for a duration of 2 weeks, means until today, 18th of September. And this was the tickers of this package and also the buying price. As I said, this price is the price on Friday afternoon, the market close price. And since I usually buy the new package and sell this one on Monday, the price can be different, slightly may change. What I do, as I have mentioned in the previous video, I replace one by one the previous package with the new package in order to avoid to being out of market for some time. And here you can see the price history as of each stocks, the last 60 days price history. And now let's see the performance and return of this package. Here you can see the return of this package. This is as usual the price history during the last 74 trading days. We bought this package more or less, for example, here, and these are the price history for each stocks during the last 14 days after this time that we bought it. And here are the return of each individual stock during the last 2 weeks. And as you see, the return of this package is changing between -9% and +14%. And the average of this package is not so much, it's +0.2%. And however, this is much better than the market. As you see, for example, here the S&P during the last 2 weeks has dropped by 1.3%. Then I would evaluate the performance of this package relatively acceptable. And yeah, then let's add this average to our performance since the beginning of the year. And now if we add this new package performance to our return and performance since the beginning of the year, we end up again something close to +0.5%. It has not been then changed as the return of this package was negligible. And the other minimum and maximum of this year then also remain unchanged. The minimum is -7% and the maximum 9%. Yeah, then now with this, let's go to the next part, the interesting part, which is introducing the new package. Okay, now this is the new package, which has been selected with this tool using the technical analysis for the duration of 2 weeks as usual, then from today, 18th of September until 2nd of October. And these are the tickers of this package and the buying price. Again, this buying price is the price on Friday, market close price. And since I buy it on the new package, this package on Monday, then I buy it at the end. Each one may a little bit different than this one, these prices. And yeah, then let's hope for the best. And if you have any opinion on or comment, please write down in the comment. And if you have also tried the previous package, I would be happy also to hear from you, your return, and if you have used any stop loss and so on, please share with us your experience. And don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, then I will post the next video on 2nd of October. Then bye for now.